Hello guys, so this is actually my first video, kind of. So I would want this to be a cooking channel, like not for the future, if you like my videos and subscribe, but I'm just gonna do cooking for the first 10 or 20 videos. So yeah. Now I'm starting off with the basics. I'm going to show you how to cook an omelette. So here's how we do it. So you need a fork, bowl, and however many eggs you want. Now this is already in room temperature. You would want to put the eggs out for about 40 minutes before you use them, so it becomes room temperature. That way your omelet will be fluffier and better. So I'm just gonna crack the eggs right here. So good. Then the next one, I'm using 2 of the eggs. So yeah. Now let me get my those. Okay. So here are the eggs. Now you want to scramble them for about like a minute. So I don't know how to edit, so I don't know how to cut the video, so it won't be boring, but I'll do it short. You can do it longer. So I've already got the pan buttered up, so when I put the omelet in, it's gonna be ready. Okay. I think it's, yeah, done. Okay. You can understand by going deep and lifting the fork that you've done it. Good. So yeah. Okay. So here's my omelet. Now I'm going to add salt and pepper. For me, I don't like pepper, and I don't like too much salt, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, and that's it. You can add however much you want, and you will add the seasoning. I'm not going to add it. I like my omelets plain. I don't know why, but yeah, you can add any kind of seasoning you want. So yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay. Now, turn the heat up while we're here. So, yeah, this is gonna wait a little bit until it cooks. So you might wanna like lift the pan up and do this kind of movement to make it faster. Again, I don't know how to edit, so this will be kind of boring for you guys, but who knows, maybe you'll like it. Then you have to melt it up. You're gonna do this until it's sizzling. You'll hear it when it's done. So yeah, I'm just gonna, okay, so I don't really have anything to do. I'm just gonna wait for the butter to sizzle. It's already kind of melted, but a couple more minutes, actually a couple more seconds, not really. Yeah. So it's just gonna wait there for about half a minute or a minute or so. So I'm just gonna scramble more because that's the only thing I can think of right now. I'm sorry if you think this is boring, but hey, who knows? Maybe I'll learn editing. Actually, yeah. So, yeah. I'm just gonna scramble for a minute or so until it's sizzling. So, here, you can see it. Maybe I'll add pepper. Who knows? Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna add pepper. This is too plain for me. There we go. Okay. But not too much. Okay, that may be too much. Yeah, that's too much. But, yeah. Just a little bit. So, let me just... Yep. See... camera, can you zoom in to see this? So you can see that there are bubbles forming, which means it's sizzling. You can also hear it. You might not hear it because you're too far, but I hear it and you would too. It will form bubbles and yeah. Now the boring part is over. Thank God, right? Okay. Now it's time to put the omelet into the pan. Okay. Just want to do this. Look at this one. My bowl's empty. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, so my omelet, let me turn it down a little. So I'm gonna let this cook about 2 or 3 minutes, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna let it cook. I do not know what I'm supposed to do at that time. Here comes the boring part again. So, yeah, I'm just gonna wait here. Again, sorry if it's boring. Okay, I have to learn how to edit. This is too boring, even for me. Come on. Yep, this is gonna take a long time, right? Okay, in my second video, I'll hopefully learn how to edit. So, let me just do this. I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, the omelet is forming. I'm just gonna spread the liquid that's still not an omelet. Spread it out. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait, and then when it's done, I'm gonna use this to flip it over. But I do not think this is over. And done. Yeah. So, yeah, comment down below ideas and like websites for editing. I would appreciate that because, yeah, boring. I mean, you can comment down below whatever you want, and please like the video and subscribe. That would be awesome for me and for you because you'll love my videos. Now, okay, Let me do this a little more. Yeah, the omelet is... Yeah, it looks like an omelet at least. So that's a good sign. Ooh, it's hot. Yeah. So I'm just gonna wait. And yeah. So while I'm waiting, I will actually give a shout out to a person that comments down below the best video editing software, anything, or website in my next video. So yeah, please make sure to do that. And so in the future, if you like and subscribe, like my videos, subscribe. I maybe can do gaming videos on my desktop, or comment down below ideas. I can give you a shout out for that too. Yeah, I think it's almost done. The top part, oh yeah. Let me just flip it over. Oh wait, how do you do this? This is too hard for me. This is the first thing I've ever cooked. So yeah. Oh no. Disaster is happening. There we go. Oh, not that bad. Okay. So, the cameraman is actually my mom. She knows how to do this, but
Hi.
This is my first time. So yeah. Yeah. So is it done? Huh? Okay. So now I can close it. Now let me just get a plate. Where are the plates? Yeah, we don't have plates, so they're all dirty. So yeah, this is the omelet. You can come here. No, like come here, and you can see this. This is the end. So yeah, thank you for watching. This was boring. I'm sorry. Again, comment down below ideas for softwares and for my channel future. And yeah, please make sure to like this video and subscribe, and thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.